Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create a TikTok Lite account. To do that, open the TikTok Lite application first. Once you're at the home page, you tap on Me on the bottom right. There you will have the option of sign up for TikTok. You can sign up with phone, email. Also, you have the option to sign up with Facebook, Google, Twitter. From here, we're gonna go with the phone and email process. Tap that. Now there are either phone and email option. You can create account with your phone number or the email address. Let's go with the email process. Now type in the email address and then tap on next. Now you create a password. Then tap on next. Go through the verification process over here. You just move the piece to the correct place. This will verify the confirmation. Then after, you will need to provide your date of birth. Then tap on next. Again, moving the slide. Verification will be completed. Now you need to create a username. This will be the username that you want for your TikTok Lite account. If you want to change it, you just tap on the backspace on your keyboard and then type in a new one that you want as your username. Once it's done, you tap on sign up. And with that, you have created yourself a TikTok Lite account. So this is how you can create a TikTok Lite. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.